The three-word slogan you'll learn how to write in just a few moments is what we unofficially and fondly call a terrific trilogy tagline. A terrific trilogy tagline is a slogan that's broken up into three different one-word sentences, like Equifax's: inform, enrich, empower. It's a powerful type of slogan because it conveys several messages in just 3 words. Also, it's one of the easiest slogans to write, making it a popular choice amongst business owners. So let's get started. You'll need a pen and paper, or a device with a blank document open. Naturally, you'll need to know your business name as well. Get ready to press pause, because this is a fun step-by-step process, which allows you to create your slogan while watching the video. We'll let you know when it's time to pause the video in order to write. A quick, initial note. There are many ways to write a 3-word slogan. This is just one of them. If you find yourself organically trying something different as you follow the steps, great, go with it. The end goal is to write an effective, powerful slogan. How you get there is your own personal journey. Enjoy. Step 1. Brainstorm a variety of singular words related to your business. If you get stuck, the types of words to brainstorm can be related to your products or services, the positive outcomes of using your products or services, your customer service, how your customers feel when using your services or products, your business or offerings in general. Let's use Apple as an example, because it's a recognizable brand. A list of brainstormed words could be: Please pause the video and brainstorm a list of words related to your business. Step 2. Choose 3 individual words for your slogan, putting a full stop after each one. We'll show you how. When choosing your words, consider using words that will make your potential customer feel uplifted about your brand and curious to find out more. You might want to try various combinations of different words and chop and change them around till you find a slogan that looks and sounds just right. Continuing with our Apple example, the words we'd like to use are innovation, transformation, connection. We've chosen innovation, transformation, and connection because each word tells its own unique story about Apple. And because the words all end in the letters TION, it gives the slogan a nice rhythm and flow. Your turn. Please pause the video to choose 3 individual words for your slogan, putting a full stop, period, after each one. Step 3. Order the words. Now you've chosen your words, put them in your preferred order. Try different arrangements. What sounds best to you? In our example, it was originally ordered like this: innovation, transformation, connection. However, after arranging and rearranging it, we find it sounds and flows better as this: connection, innovation, transformation. It's your turn now. Please pause the video and arrange your slogan. Step 4. Check, flaunt, leverage. If you've been following along with the video, you've now written your slogan. How exciting! It's now time to make sure you haven't accidentally created a slogan that's identical or too similar to another company's slogan. To do this, go to the website of the intellectual property agency or organization within your country, and search their database or contact them. There are links in the video description. If your slogan is good to go, consider trademarking or registering it, and then flaunt it to the world. Leverage it by placing it on all your marketing material, including business cards and your website. Congratulations! And remember, we have more videos on how to write other types of slogans on our channel. Yours in business success.